In this video, I will show you how to create these liquid glass card animations in DaVinci Resolve. So start by bringing in a fusion clip inside of the timeline. So go to effects and bring in a fusion clip and open it in the fusion page. Inside of the fusion page, bring out a background node and connect it to the media out. Then turn the alpha all the way down for the background node. Then bring in another background node and merge it. From this, we are going to create the card shape. So for that, add a rectangle mask on this background node, then change the width and the height so that it takes the shape of a card. We are also going to change the corner radius to 0.37. Go to background and change the color type to gradient and turn this into a vertical gradient like this. So that is our card. And the next step is going to the media pool and getting in our image. You can use any image you want. It can be your image. And then we are going to close the media pool and merge this image. And now while the merge is selected, go to apply mode and change it to screen, then change the operator to in. Next, add another merge node. Click outside and control space and add a displace node. Then connect the displace node with the merge. Make sure the constraint is green. And next we will just duplicate this rectangle mask that we created earlier. So Ctrl C and Ctrl V. And after that we are going to connect the green of this displace to the rectangle and then the blue of this merge to the rectangle as well. And then we will also connect the merge of the image to this yellow triangle of the displace node. So that is the setup that you have to just memorize or copy, and practicing a few times will drill this in your mind for future creations. And then we are going to select the displace node and change the offset to -1 and the refraction strength to -4. Then you can also mess with the light power if you want to. And at last, when you will increase the spread, you will get this liquid glass effect. Finally, we can add stuff like the name of the artist and the progress bar you see in music apps like Apple Music or Spotify. That is the easier part. This was the confusing one, but it is not that confusing once you get the basic of this. So let me show you how to create that progress bar next. For that, bring out a background node and connect it and merge it and change the color this time to white and add a rectangle mask, and we will change the height and the width, also the position, and turn the corner radius all the way up. Then we are going to select the rectangle and change the level to 0.35. Then we will duplicate it, and also this time we will change the level to 0.75. Then we will add a rectangle node to the merge, and now we will also change the size and the position. And when you move the X of this, you can see the progress bar animating. So you can animate this by putting keyframes on the X position. Finally, we can add the name, like what is the track and what is the artist name. I will leave all that and other creative decisions up to you. You can make this yours in number of ways. That is on you. That was it for the tutorial, I guess. Have a good night. Make sure to check out the free version of the viral text pack if you haven't already.